All right, when we're solving this type of percentage problem, 21 is what percent of 40? Again, I'm going to go ahead and block this out. So I know 21 is, that's my part. What percent is what I'm actually solving for? And of 40 is the whole, because it has that of. So we're looking for that language is and of. So if we're using a proportion, which is my favorite, I'm going to fill in part and whole down here. So I have 100, and my is going to go at the top here because that's the part, and my of is going to go at the bottom because that is my whole, and I don't know my percentage, so I can make that percentage x, and then I'm going to cross multiply to solve. Most of us like to start with the variable first, so 40 times x is 40x, and then 100 times 21. I'm going to simplify the 100 times 21. 40x equals 2100. And now in order to get rid of that x here, the 40, it's being multiplied by x, so we're going to divide both sides by 40. We're going to keep our equation balanced. 40 divided by 40 is 1, which leaves us with x. And then I'm going to take my calculator and do 2100 divided by 40, which is 52 and 5/10. So my answer is 52 and 5/10. That's using a proportion. If I want to use an equation, it's going to be a little bit different. I'm going to have the same numbers, but I'm going to pop them into this equation here. So my part is my is, so I know my 21 equals, I don't know what percent, so that's going to be my x, times my whole, which is 40. So this is really 21 equals 40x, honestly. And we're trying to get rid of that 40, so we're going to divide both sides by 40. And that's going to leave us with x equals 21 divided by 40, which is 0.52. Now the problem is we can't just leave it like this because our percentage here is as a decimal. So we need to move the decimal point over 2 more times. We need to divide by 100 and turn it back into a percentage. So that leaves us with 52.5% is what we're missing. So both of those, I missed my percentage up here because we're solving for a percent, 52.5%.